Mr. Bansal here from India Post Payments Bank, and congratulations, Mr. Bansal.
Thank you.
For winning the award for Best in Digital Initiative for Inclusion. And that, what efforts did you put in the last 2 years or in general that led you to win this award, which is a great achievement on behalf of the banking sector itself. So, what are your views on that?
So, as you know that the agenda of the government or the main objective of the government to start this bank was to basically work in terms of the financial inclusion.
Right.
And India Post has been there, which is our parent organization, has been there for almost 150 years.
Yes.
And mostly it has been riding on the physical infrastructure as well as on the physical dealing of all the banking work. But here is one bank, which was set up with zero paper, and in fact we don't even have transact even one paper for doing all our banking, bill payments, remittances, for doing money transfers, or for insurance like general insurance or life insurance, or even Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana insurance, or various other things. Now we are getting into credit also, but it will be 100% digital. No single paper transaction. And as you know that the reach of the India Post is almost 1,55,000 branch access points across the country, and most of them, 90% of them being in rural. So we have a good footprint, and we work primarily on a Fijitech kind of a model, wherein we ride on the physical infrastructure and plus we provide an easy solution to the end user or the customer, and wherein also it is very, very cost effective, intuitive, and something like opening an account gets done in just less than 5 rupees, whereas a traditional bank it would cost something like 500 rupees or 600 rupees just for the movement of papers and all that stuff. So here people feel comfortable dealing with a postman. He's been to their homes. You've seen in so many of these movies, and you've interacted with them. So they're very comfortable dealing with them. They are not hesitant to talk about their financial requirements, problems, and banking needs to the postman. And these postmen were also very, very highly trained. So we spent almost 1 crore hours of training for these postmen and Gramin Dak Sevaks. To facilitate them, enable them for banking solutions. So overall, it has been a very satisfying journey, a very fast journey. Currently, we have almost 5 crore plus customers in less than 3 years, and they are doing, and there are more than 1.25 crore of mobile app downloads, and our UPI and transaction numbers are increasing at a very, very fast clip. So we are very happy, satisfied, and hope to, improve much better in future.
Surely. One last question I would ask that. So in the coming years, are you starting any new initiative, or is there a roadmap that you have planned for the coming years?
Yeah, see, we will cross the bridge as it goes, but yes, the immediate things that we have, because you never know what kind of innovative solutions and what kind of needs of the customers arise, but immediately we are looking at, getting better insurance solutions, plus also getting into credit. So as a payment bank, we cannot offer direct credit, but we can act as a distributor for the loan providers or like banks, NBFCs, etc. So we'll be accessing the customer, providing him some options, and we will also be, and there'll be fintech partners who will be doing the credit assessments. So basis that there'll be solutions which we are designing, so that we can the customer in the rural areas or in the urban, semi-urban areas, they can get access to credit very fast. So this is also one thing. Plus we can get into credit card, again on a referral mode or distribution mode.
So it will be like a one-stop shop for everything for inclusive.
Plus we are doing a lot of G2C business. Like for example, child enrollment on Aadhaar. So a child who is below 5 years of age, he can get his Aadhaar made at his doorstep. So that is one thing. Plus Aadhaar updation, which is the requirement. For example, today you have to update your mobile, PAN number in Aadhaar.
Yes.
Your mobile number should be updated.
Correct.
So these kind of requirements, they need this thing, and it can also be done on the doorstep. Then Jeevan Praman, digital life certificate for senior citizens, that's also a requirement. So many things. There are hundreds and thousands of things that we
Yes.
can do, and we are trying to do.
Surely, so you're making life easier for everyone. Thank you so much,
Thank
and
you.
I'm glad that you were here. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
your presence.
Thank you.